Alright, so I wanted to talk about something here. You can see this 6.4 has windowed the block. You got the piston and the still in the cylinder there. All sorts of damage to the cylinder there. Now you can see that's our crank lobe. These 6.4s, and this is why I say this, I feel that this was the issue here. That's bearing worn out. There's a really good chance that this 6.4 had fuel dilution in the oil. So it had fuel in the oil. The 6.4 fuel lines are not reusable. So when you're putting injectors in your truck, you need to replace the lines. And if you don't, there is a very high possibility that it is going to dilute the oil, and you'll have fuel in your oil which will drastically reduce its ability to lubricate correctly. And what ends up happening is bearing failure. Now I can't say for sure if that's exactly what happened to this one, but it very much so looks like that could have been the case, because this is the same type of damage you're going to see. So what we recommend when you're replacing your injectors, when you're done replacing the injectors and the lines, turn the key to the run position and let your fuel pump run, and pull the drain plug. Let it sit that way for a half an hour. If you see anything come out of the drain plug of that engine, any fuel, you've got an issue with your injector lines and you need to check them. If you don't have anything come out, you're probably good to go. You can put the drain plug back in and fire it up and go on with your day. If you don't do something like that, you got at the least a high possibility for bearing failure, at the most what we see here. Check those lines.